Hello and welcome back to Get Healthy Now Mastery. I'm so glad you are joining me today. I'm so glad to have you in my laboratory. It's so awesome to see you on this day. Yes, yes, yes. So we have another good one for you today, and it's not going to be long. So we're not going to keep you long. But anyway, I appreciate you joining me today. I'm so grateful for each one of you. And for you all who are just joining me today for the first time, I am Get Healthy Now Mastery. I am your juice up person. Yes, I am. That's who I am. And my channel is all about reaching all around the world, connecting all around the world to make changes in the health and wealth of this world. That's my mission. That's my mission. So I am on a mission today. Yes, I am. I'm on a mission to encourage you and to inspire you to set some health goals for yourself and to set some wealth goals for yourself. That's my mission. That's my mission right there. And so I pray that I will inspire you to make some changes in your lifestyle. Number one is to juice up. Juice up with me. Juice up with me. Lemon ginger blast. You all, juicing will make a difference in your life. Juicing has changed my life. Juicing has changed my life. Juicing has changed the vibration within. The juicing has changed the energy within. I don't know what else to tell you. I don't know what else to tell you. On my journey, thank you for being on my health journey. Thank you for being on my journey of reversing some health issues. This is the journey that I'm on. This is the mission that I'm on. This is why I myself have to set health goals. So this is my health journal. This is what this is. And I do write in it, y'all. I do. Yes, I do. I write in it. I want you to know that I do. I have health goals. So this is my health portfolio. And we talked about a health vision board. So I hope you all are working on that too. I'm not going to talk y'all's head off today. But first of all, let me say thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you to all of the newcomers. Thank you to everybody who have been supporting this channel. And I am so grateful to you for your support. Yes, I am. You have no idea. So, and I'm so grateful for you giving me a thumbs up, for you sending me comments, for you sharing this information with your family and friends. You all know the goal is 5,000 subscribers by May the 1st. 5,000. So I need your help in reaching out to 5,000. I'm what I have now. I think I have 2,801, I think. So that means I need 2,200. Yeah, 2,200 by May the 1st. So with your help, we can do this together. Yes, we can. With your help, we can do this together. And I appreciate it. Yes, I do. So I have another glow up juice for you today. I do. You know, we talked about glowing up. If you want to rebuild from the inside out, that's what we've been talking about, rebuilding from the inside out. And April is the celebration month. I am celebrating my 175 years around the sun. And I know some of y'all gonna say, what in the world is she talking about? So just go with me. Just go along with me, okay? Just go along with me. So I'm celebrating, but I'm celebrating you. I'm celebrating each of you who have made the decision to choose you. You have said, I choose life. You have said you are rebuilding from the inside out. And juicing will help you to rebuild from the inside out. And I am here to help you to rebuild from the inside out. Yes, I am. I'm on a mission, y'all, to reach all over the world, all over the world. So, okay, we have today, we've always juiced cantaloupe, but today we have cantaloupe, oranges, grapefruit, and we have some honeydew. We're going to add honeydew to the mix today. And I have a lemon in here. So we're going to get this going. Yes, we are. Oh, yes. And I know this is going to be a powerful glow up juice. This is what I call my glow up juice. If you want to glow, you gotta drink the juice. You gotta drink the juice. Yes, you do. And I also have ginger in here. Also have ginger and turmeric. Y'all know what we do. Y'all know what we do here. I'm gonna share something else with you. And I want to thank you all again because you have been supporting me, and I am now fully monetized, and I'm so grateful. I thank God for this, and I thank God for you. I had no idea how far this channel was going to go and where it's going. But all I know, I'm going forward. I am moving forward, and I'm taking you with me. Yes, I am, because you all are really igniting me. You all are igniting the fire within. Yes, you are. Yes, you are, and I'm excited, and I'm grateful. So, for those of you who want to take your rebuilding and choosing life to the next level, join the membership called Juice Masters. Join Juice Masters membership. Absolutely. And we're going to get this party going. I promise you. Yes, we are. So if you want to join the Juice Masters membership, just go on to my channel page and you'll see where it says either say membership or it'll tell you join. Just go in and join. Absolutely. So anyway, I look forward to seeing you in Juice Masters. Yes, I do. Okay. So we got that there. All right. You know we have challenges. I don't know who's actually doing this challenge. For those of you who still continue to eat meat, and you want to make changes in your life, then the challenge was for April the 1st through April the 11th. Each day, take one of your meals and have a meatless meal for each day. Each day, take one of your meals and have a meatless day. Absolutely. Oh, yeah. And again, this is about 2 cups of honeydew. This is 1 cantaloupe. 1 whole cantaloupe, 4 inches of turmeric, 4 inches of ginger, 4 oranges, 1 grapefruit, and 1 lemon. Yep, that's what we got. Let me pour this out. Look at that. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, I know that tastes good. I know that tastes so good. So that's the challenge for April 1 through April 11th. April 12th, those of you who are going to move to the next level, and we're going all raw. Y'all, this is celebration. This is my celebration month. So we're going all raw. April 12th through April 18th. April 12th through April 18th. Yes. So we are going all raw. Let's pull it down. Get off of there. I was wanting to do, yep, it worked. It worked. Yeah. All right. Awesome. So if you're gonna go all raw with me, April the 12th through April the 18th, put it in the comment section, please. I appreciate that. I really appreciate that. You all, like I said, we got some great things coming. So I hope you all are gonna continue to join me on these challenges, y'all. We're on a health journey. This is a journey, y'all. This is a journey, and we will continue this journey. We're going to continue this journey. Yes, we are. So that's important. So I wanted to share this before I pour the juice. This is sea moss that I made this morning. This is sea moss. And I put blueberries in this one. And it tastes good. So I have blueberry sea moss and I have regular sea moss. I just wanted to share this with you. I just wanted to experiment and see. I don't like the taste of this one. It's not nasty, but I just don't like the taste. I don't know why, but when I put the blueberries in it, I have already had 2 tablespoons of this already. 2 tablespoons, and it was fine. I love it. So I just wanted to share that. Yeah. So, all right, let's pour this wonderful juice up. Y'all, this juice right here, we've talked about glow-up juice for a minute now, and we will continue to talk about the glow-up juice, but this juice is good to help your body rid itself of inflammation. It's a good heart health juice. It's good for your digestive tract. Let's make sure we have something to offer you all. Only thing I don't have my habanero pepper, but that's okay. Okay. And we're going to put this over here. Let's see if we can just pour it. Yeah, that'll work. Look at that. Not quite a quart, but that's okay. That's okay. Look at that. Well, you know, it was 2 quarts. I'm gonna say this would make this would make this 2 quarts. So cheers to you. Cheers to you. Cheers to your heart, your liver, your lungs, your skin. This is good for your skin, your eyes, your hair, your nails, you all. You're gonna glow up from the inside out. So cheers to you, and let's drink this, that it brings health and wealth internally, rebuilding my body and your body from the inside out. This is good. This is good. Oh my goodness. And I feel the energy going through my body. Yes, I do. You got to do it. You have to do it. Don't take my word for it. Try this for yourself. And you got to drink the juice consistently. You have to be consistent, you all. Consistent means daily, every day juicing. Every day juicing. That is so good. All right. There you have it. Glow up. Glow up, glow up, glow up. From the inside out. Yes. Moving from the inside out. Y'all, that's powerful. That's a powerful juice. I feel the energy. I feel the vibration, even in my hands, y'all. Oh my goodness, I feel it. I gotta have some more. I gotta have some more. Okay, on that note, thank you all so much for joining me. I just go out and get you a cantaloupe and honeydew if that's all you want, and just juice it. If you want some ginger in it, put some ginger in it. Y'all, this is gonna cause your body inside out to transform, to begin its stage of rebuilding. Come on, let's do it. Y'all, I feel the energy from this juice already. Oh my goodness. Woo, I feel it as it's going down. As it's going down. Yes, yes, and yes. All right, on that note, thank you again to all of my subscribers. Thank you to the newcomers. Thank you to those who are sitting on the sideline and you're watching. Thank you so much. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and send me a comment. Absolutely. And if you're going to join me in All Raw beginning April the 12th through the 18th, put it in the comment section. Put it in the comment section for me. All right? All righty. And on that note, I'm making an announcement. I'll see you on the live Saturday at 10 a.m. Yes. And you may see another live. I don't know. I might get creative and do another impromptu live. But anyway, you all have a blessed day. I love you, and continue to share. Share this information with your family and friends. I ask you again, help me to reach my goal of 5,000 subscribers by May the 1st. We can do this together. Together, we stand. Together, we are strong. And we stand strong together. Peace and love and broccoli. Peace and love and broccoli.